How to bold text on Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on your Instagram post. Without further ado, let's get started. So what we're actually going to do first is to go ahead and open up Instagram. And let's go to our profile page by clicking on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And if you want to bold text on an existing Instagram post, so you just have to click on that post. For example, I want to bold this text right here, the caption that I have for this photo. So we can do that by clicking on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the post and click on edit. So from here, we can edit out the caption as well as tag people and edit the alt text. So we're just going to copy the caption that we have right here. And let's get out of Instagram and go to Safari or any browser you have on your phone. So what we're going to search for is bold text generator. So just search that. And these results should pop up. So we can just go to this lingojam.com site, just click on that and paste the caption that you have on this page that says normal text goes here. So just click on that and click on the space again so that the paste option will pop up and the bold text styles will immediately pop up. So just choose whichever you like and you can just press and hold the text that you want and copy it. And let's go back to Instagram and paste it in our caption. Just click on done right here to save that new caption with a bold text. And now you have bold text on your Instagram post. Of course, you can do this on new posts as well. So just do the same steps for the caption of your Instagram post. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.